Now let us see how to find the equation of plane when position vector of one point on the plane is known to us and vector perpendicular to plane, that is normal to plane, is known to us. Suppose A is point on the plane whose position vector is A bar and vector normal to plane N bar. A is a point in the plane, N bar vector perpendicular to the plane. Draw coordinate axes which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Point of concurrence of three axes, it is origin. Position vector of a point, it is vector directed from that point towards origin. Position vector of point A, vector directed from origin towards point A. Usually position vector of point denoted by small letter A bar. Now let us consider one more point, any one point in the plane other than point A. Suppose R is a point in the plane and we shall consider position vector of point R, R bar. Vector directed from origin towards point R. Position vector of point R denoted by R bar. Join AR. AR or vector AR bar. A and R, these are the 2 points in the plane. And line passing through 2 points in the plane or vector passing through 2 points in a plane also lies in the plane. It means that AR bar is a vector which lies in the plane. N bar is a vector which is normal perpendicular to the plane. As it is perpendicular to the plane, it is perpendicular to every line in this plane. Therefore, N bar, it is perpendicular to vector AR bar. Now two vectors, they are perpendicular to each other. Then their dot product is 0. AR bar dot N bar equal to 0. AR bar, vector in space, directed from point A towards point R, is initial point, R is terminal point. And vector in space can be expressed as position vector of terminal point minus position vector of initial point. R is initial point, its position vector R bar minus position vector of initial point A bar dot N bar equal to 0. Open the bracket. R bar dot N bar minus A bar dot N bar equal to 0. So R bar dot N bar equal to A bar dot N bar. This is equation of plane in vector form. If we know position vector of any one point in the plane and vector normal perpendicular to the plane, then we can write equation of plane in vector form. Right hand side, dot product of two vectors, and dot product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. So this equation R bar dot N bar equal to D, where D is constant, scalar quantity. instead of knowing position vector of one point in the plane, if we know coordinates of one point in the plane, suppose A is point in the plane whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and direction ratios of normal to the plane A, B, C. Normal is a line which is perpendicular to plane. Line has direction ratios or direction cosines. Plane does not have direction ratios or direction cosines. So these are the direction ratios of a line which is perpendicular normal to the plane. Then equation of plane can be written in Cartesian form. X minus x1 into A plus in bracket y minus y1 into B plus z minus z1 into C equal to 0. If we know coordinates of one point on the plane and instead of direction ratios, if we know direction cosines of normal to the plane, then also we can write equation of plane in Cartesian form. X minus x1 into L plus y minus y1 into M plus z minus z1 into N equal to 0. Now here we know position vector of one point in the plane and vector normal to the plane. Instead of that, if we know position vector of one point in the plane, suppose A is point in the plane whose position vector is A bar, and vectors parallel to plane are known. Suppose B bar and C bar, these are the vectors parallel to the plane. Then also we can find equation of plane. Draw three axes mutually perpendicular to each other. Point of concurrence, origin. A is point which lies in the plane whose position vector A bar. B bar and C bar are the given two vectors which are parallel to the plane. And we have to find equation of plane in vector form. Now let us consider any one point in the plane other than point A. Suppose R is another point in the plane, and suppose position vector of point R is R bar. A and R, these are the 2 points in the plane. So vector passing through them totally lies in that plane. So AR bar lies in the plane. Position vector of point R, R bar. Vector directed from origin towards point R bar. AR bar, vector lies in a plane. B bar and C bar, these are the vectors parallel to plane. Vectors parallel to same plane. Here B bar and C bar. But to get equation of plane, what we require is vector perpendicular, that is normal to the plane. we know when B bar and C bar are the two vectors, then B bar cross C bar is a vector which is perpendicular to B bar and C bar. As B bar and C bar, they are parallel to plane, B bar cross C bar, it is perpendicular, normal to the plane. Cross product of two vectors is a vector quantity. Now B bar cross C bar, perpendicular, normal to the plane, means it is normal, perpendicular to AR bar also, because vector which is perpendicular to the plane, it is perpendicular to each vector in that plane. So here AR bar perpendicular to B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar is one vector. AR bar is another vector. Two vectors are perpendicular, so their dot product is 0. AR bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to 0. AR bar, vector in space, so it can be written as R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Open the bracket. R bar dot B bar cross C bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to 0. If we take this term to right hand side, then its sign changes. We can observe that A bar dot B bar cross C bar. There are three vectors. Among them, dot and cross product is there. So it is scalar triple product. And scalar triple product can be written in the form of box product. So when we know position vector of one point in the plane and vectors parallel to plane, then we can write equation of plane in vector form. Same equation can be written box product form. Same equation of plane can be written in another form also. A bar, position vector of point in the plane, B bar and C bar, these are the two vectors which are parallel to plane. Then equation of plane can be written like this also. This is also in vector form. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar plus mu C bar. Here lambda and mu, they are the scalar quantities, real numbers. So all these three equations, they are in vector form only. This is in box product form. This is in scalar triple product form. This equation, it is in parametric form, where lambda and mu, they are the parameters. So here we know position vector of one point in the plane and vectors parallel to the plane.